AC bun, serious talk. If you want to look like me in your 30s, then start putting sunblock from now, like right now. Stop watching this video, put sunblock and come back and start watching this video again, okay? Alright. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yogasini aka Radhika Bose, and this channel is all about review, react, remember, rejoice. Everything starting with art. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video and taking out your precious time to watch this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and if you are an existing if you are an existing subscriber, thank you so much for being my subscriber. You know I love it. We are going to review a sunscreen product, and this is from the brand Dew. D'(U). Dew Unkissed. Dew. Dew? Do you? Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it, but whichever fancies you, pronounce that. How does it matter? It's just you and me and 500 people watching this. That's it. पहले disclaimer बता दूँ आप लोगों को, this product was given to me in a PR kit. I haven't bought this product, but I haven't been paid. So I can give my honest opinion. I can be brutally honest. I wear a lot of sunscreen, okay? स्किन केयर मैं कभी कभी भूल जाती हूँ या कभी कभी मॉइस्चर लगा के छोड़ देती हूँ, बट अ सनस्क्रीन इज अ मस्ट. I wear many types of sunscreen. I like to experiment with many types of sunscreen. I reapply it. I have a stick, I have a gel, I have a cream, I have a white cast cream. I have a lot of sunscreen. I have been wearing sunscreen since I was 5 years old. तो मालूम नहीं होगा, एक बनाना बोट का, वो भी इंडिया में नहीं बनता था, वो यूएस में बनता था, और मेरे NRI कजन्स मेरे लिए वो लेके आते थे. It used to be completely liquid. वो पानी जैसा पूरा sunscreen होता था, and it had a very distinct smell. I remember Indian households ना, काला मत हो जाना, too brown, too tan, no, गोरा चिट्टी, तो गोरा white sunscreen लगा के I used to look like a bhoot. The white cast on that sunscreen was epic. Like, people complain about present products के white cast. You should have seen banana boat का white cast. It was moon से भी दिखता है तुम्हारा white cast. Jesus. Oh, okay. Reduce it. Ha. Yeah. There you go. Sunscreen is very interesting. I must say that. Even though I got this for free, I will still say good and bad things about it. I'm just going to go on repeating it throughout the video so that you all don't think that I've been paid just to say nice things. I am going to be brutally honest as I can be. See what is their website all about and the price, their ethos, what does this sunscreen claim to do. Garmi, I see. सनस्क्रीन अनकिस्ड 98 रिव्यूज इनको मिला है और इस प्रोडक्ट को 4 स्टार्स मिले हैं उनके वेबसाइट पे. द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज 2200. Okay, I'll have my opinion later on about the price of the product, but let's see the rest. Meet Unkissed, never seen before serum base blue sunscreen that blends into the skin within seconds and leaves zero white cast. First claim, serum like base. Second claim, leaves zero white cast. Okay, so we've got 2 claims already. Made with a patented capsule technology, capsules containing new age sunscreen filters. Why am I say it properly? Filter. Filters with SPF 50+ and PA++++ protection. It's a texture so hydrating and cooling, you wouldn't believe it's a sunscreen. Record ho raha hai na? The other day I shot a whole video. It was supposed to be a parody on skin influencers. अब वो record ही नहीं हुआ, मतलब audio ही record नहीं हुआ, so I am extra careful today. What else? If you're someone who's always disliked wearing sunscreen, this blue armor of protection is for you. That's why I am all blue today. Blue. बस एक ही blue है और blue. What to expect में? It's a broad spectrum UVA plus UVB protection. Extremely easy to spread. Zero white cast, non-sticky and lightweight. Perfect. Application feel and texture. Upon application, Unkissed immediately feels very moist, hydrating and nourishing. To the skin, it will feel wet for the first 5 minutes of the application. Once fully dried, in 15 to 20 minutes, it settles into the normal to satin finish on the skin. Depending on your skin type, it does not feel matte on the skin. Vegan and cruelty free, made in Korea, no added fragrance, and pregnancy safe. Perfect, perfect. They've given the ingredient list. What? Dithylamino hydroxyl benzol hexyl benzoate. I think I just had a seizure. Okay, enough. Okay, these are the ingredients. You can read it for yourself. SPF filters. If I was a chemist, I would have been able to pronounce these words, but I'm not. So, plant extracts में they have a eggplant fruit extract. Bengan fruit है? कब से? I thought bengan was a vegetable. Anyhow, dwarf lily turf extract. It sounds so cute. Dwarf lily turf. If I ever have a daughter, I'm gonna name her Dwarf Lily Turf. So cute. Cute as a baby. I love that they've mentioned all the ingredients that they have used in making this product. The transparency of any brand is appreciated. Most of the time we don't understand the ingredients that goes into the product, and that's why there's a difficulty in buying products, because first तो आप अपने skin के बारे में confused हो, उसके बाद आप product के बारे में confused हो. So it's good that DU is very transparent, nourishing, barrier, fortifying, panthenol and allantoin. Panthenol is a cooling thing. It cools down the skin. With all the sunscreen reviews of the Welsh twins and all the other skin experts and skin influencers I've seen, Panthenol, I've heard them saying that it cools down the skin. Full ingredient list लिखा है, website पे usage लिखा है, routine लिखा है, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen always. Even if you're not in the mood to wear a serum, then a moisturizer and sunscreen is a must. I put sunscreen 4 times in a day, once in the morning before I go to the gym, come back from the gym, take a bath, wear the sunscreen again in the evening around 4:30 I wear sunscreen again, and at night I do a double cleanse because I've been putting so much sunscreen on my face. Sunscreen does have a tendency to block your pores. Does have the tendency to block my pores. I don't know about yours, bhai. पहले से बता दे रही हूँ, not a skin expert. Skin type, is Unkissed suitable for dry skin types? Okay, these are the questionnaires. Yes, Unkissed is suitable for dry skin. So you can check out the website, and the website is very thorough. तो कोई भी doubts हो, कोई भी explanation चाहिए, I think the website will do a good job in explaining it to you. AC चल रहा है तो my nose has started dripping. It is endorsed by a very favorite Alia Bhatt. DU का first product when I had seen was those eye patches that Alia Bhatt was wearing in one of her skin tutorials, and I was in love with those patches. मैं Nykaa गई जल्दी to shop for the patches. Those patches were like for 2,000 rupees, and I was like, आँखों के नीचे पैच लगाने के लिए 2,000 और या 3,000. I'm like, no thanks. I am good. I will let the air let it absorb it. DU products are on a little bit of a higher expensive side. They are made in Korea, but I think they are packaged in India, so that's how it is a made in India product, but not entirely. There are cheaper sunscreens on the market. There is Cosrx, there's an Instri, I think it's called Instri, there's House of Joan, I'm forgetting the name, but you know what I'm talking about, the viral sunscreen, cheaper ones, much cheaper than Sunkissed, so remember that. Let's fix this, okay? No getting demonetized. I'm going to tell you my experience. I got it in a pretty package. It came in this baksa. No, it came in a bigger baksa, but I threw that baksa away. It came like this. Now this is the product. Focus. Focus. Look at how cute it is. I love that it's in like this capsule format, because when they say that the serum is from a capsule, that's why the capsule, cute. The product baksa containers plastic. It's got a nice font. I like this font, very cute. I like the package. Once you open it, it comes like this nozzle thing, which is nice. Focus, and then you pump and put. I am not going to waste too much of the product in this video because बहुत कम बाकी है और ये product बहुत expensive है, तो मैं उसको ना मतलब चिंदी के तरह I'm taking out and putting on my face. So when I did put this serum on my hand, because I always put the serum on my hand, it was blue in color. It was so blue, I was like, oh my god, what just happened? Why is this sunscreen blue? Because I hadn't done any research on the sunscreen. मुझे मिला, मैंने खोला और लगाने का procedure शुरू कर दिया. So I was like, blue sunscreen, that's a first. So that's very surprising. When I did put on my skin, it had this very cooling effect, and that's the panthenol that they have mentioned in the ingredient list. Like when you put this ice roller or jade and all, it just really helps with the inflammation, the puffiness. So with the sunscreen, I felt like that. It is completely serum, like it has no color, matlab it's blue in color, but is also very translucent. Okay, let me just show it to you only. Why I'm being so chindi? Okay, so I'm gonna come closer because I'm not gonna do this again. Okay. Hand पे focus करना, हाँ. Okay, ठीक है. So now see my hand and see this product. It is blue, a balloon. It is blue in color, blue, and a very pretty blue. खत्म हो जाएगा very soon. It's a little grainy when you pick it up. That I've never noticed because I just put it directly on my face, and it's really cooling and nice. Makeup ke upar sunscreen, wow. So I'm doing it live so you can see that it comes on the face in a very liquidy, watery sort of a feeling, like typical serum feeling. वही इसको लगाने में आता है. You can see a nice shine already appearing on my face. इतना कम तो मैं sunblock नहीं लगाती मुँह. I thopo a lot more. But for demo के लिए ये ठीक है. So yeah, it's a little tacky when you put to remove all the hair from your face and tap it, and however you put your sunscreen. Yeah, how do I know how you put your sunscreen? And there. Now we will let this sit for 5 minutes, and in 10 to 15 minutes it will completely disappear. The shine will minimize and I'll look flawless. That's what. I'll look okay. It's okay. Ouch. Oh, sorry. Like their first claim, it is serum like, you can see it. It does not leave a white cast. I was scared that it would leave a blue cast, but it left no cast. So, nice. I like these two things. Their claims were true. SPF 50 and SA+++++, uska guarantee I can't give, and I didn't even do the back work of finding whether this sunscreen is long lasting. You can do the UV patch testing and all, but I am not going to do so much hard work. I go on replying sunscreen, so मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता whether it's long lasting or not. I am going to put it over and over again. The third claim, it's non-irritating and soothing, which is very true. I am testing out another sunscreen these days, and because of my retinol skincare routine that I have also started, the sunscreen was burning on my skin. This, on the driest of skin also, did not burn. It was in fact cooling and suppressing that itchiness and dryness that I was having. So yeah, third claim also true. Non-irritating and soothing. So that was my first hand experience using Due product. I have been using this for, like I said, 1.5 months. ये खत्म होने को जा रहा है, so that's why I'm being very chindi with this. This is my favorite sunscreen to wear before I go for my workout session to the gym, because it is serum based, it does not leave any white cast, and because it absorbs, like you can see how quickly it has absorbed. And I have this nice glow on my face. It's shiny. Shine. What's that song? I am a disco dancer. Shiny disco, disco, shiny disco, disco, shiny disco ball. वही था ना गाना. Anyway, so I wear this before I go to the gym. That's what I wanted to say, and then I got distracted as always. And I love it. It stays on my skin. It does not like make me, like when I sweat, वो सफ़ेद tear नहीं निकल रहा. Like, you know, sometimes when you wear those white cast sunscreens and पसीना हो या कुछ, and suddenly you see a streak of white going, वो नहीं होता is product. So that was my first experience take using this product for the last 2 months. Now let's go to the positives and negatives. Let's start with the positives first. Okay, I love the packaging. It is for 50 milliliters. This will last you a good 2 months. Hope so. Fingers crossed. I love the cooling effect and that it is serum like. It is Sone Pe Suhaga for me. I actually like that it is blue in color. बचपन में वो banana boat का PTSD, white cast tension बहुत है, तो I'm glad this is a different color. So I like it a lot. Negatives पे जाते हैं. The first and only negative in my opinion, that it is very costly. Like I put sunscreen a lot, so imagine spending 2,200 like every other month is a tad too much for a sunscreen. Like for me it is a tad too much. For you maybe it's reasonable. For you maybe it's like, oh my god, it's it's a cheap, yeah, 2200 is like nothing. For me it is a lot. Because if I have to spend it, ये तो मैंने खरीदा भी नहीं है. I'm going to buy it very soon. वो 2200 spending on a sunscreen is giving me palpitation. So it is a little expensive, but do the due. Oh, I've stolen slogans for 2 different ads. Do the due. Final take, will I be purchasing this product again? Yes, I will be purchasing this product, but not anytime soon. Currently, I am also testing other sunscreen products. I'm going to do a comparison between those sunscreens and this sunscreen. This will be the sunscreen to beat with the rest of the sunscreen. The battle of the sunscreens coming up very soon that only 2 people will watch. 3 people will watch. If you're watching this video, please don't forget to comment. कुछ भी comment कर दो भाई. Have you used this sunscreen? Do you like this sunscreen? Do you think this sunscreen is worth spending 2200? कुछ भी बोल दो comment section में. Like कर दो इस वीडियो को अपने माँ, बहन, आंटी, पड़ोस, अपने स्कूल टीचर के साथ शेयर कर दो. I am decently dressed somewhat. I am wearing this pretty necklace. I hope the sound is recording, and I will see you very soon with another review video which will be honest. Okay, I'll try to be extremely honest next time. Alright then, bye. Ow.